Having our team design chosen by the public is something we're really excited about, and to first hear it, we were really happy about as well. It's just nice knowing that what we kind of put all of like the hard work we had over the months into is going to come into fruition.
Still like great to be able to say that we've done something like this, being able to work on it, create it, design it, and make it now. And I just think it's really cool.
Being a part of the piece of Pavilion has meant a lot to me personally, because I want to be an architect in the future, and it's taught me a lot, like designing something that has a purpose and solves a problem.
This morning we're at the Lea Bridge Library, our final site, and this is day one in the build. Right now the materials have arrived and the pre-prepared carts have arrived also, so I can't wait to get stuck into it.
We have been working with Culture Maze to help them design, develop, create, and kind of explore different options to take their winning model. And we're really excited to finish construction together.
I'm just really excited. It's coming along really well, and I just want to see the netting and how everything interweaves together, and the note-taking and how people interact with our space.
Great little project to get involved in, loads of different skills needed. We've got loads of volunteers helping us.
It's been nearly a year in the making. We're finally on site. Yeah, it's coming together piece by piece with all the help of all our lovely volunteers.
Just excited to see it made on the opening tomorrow.
We're so impressed with the end product. It looks absolutely brilliant, and I think the young people and everyone that took part should be so proud of themselves with what we've achieved. It's really something impressive, and I think it's a great message for more people that you can engage in the built environment and you can improve the spaces around you to make a better place to live for all of us.
The People's Pavilion has been an ambitious project, and much like the striking red rope that makes up its facade, we've been really intentional with interweaving the built environment and architectural sector with the communities and culture of East London.
It was so fab to be involved. I'm really, really grateful to the kids. I think they've all got a lot out of it all the way through the process. Yes, it's been fab.
It's always there like a really good opportunity to be able to say, that a design that you've made has already been constructed and finalized and made like an actual thing that people can interact with.
I think for me one of the great things about the whole project has been just this constant ability to work with students and engage them at all the different stages.
It's nice to have these younger individuals coming up in the industry. They've got ideas. I think that level of involvement, getting the community involved in it, it's a beautiful thing, and if we could have more of that, I think it will make things better,
We were thrilled working with Beyond the Box. Their core values are perfectly aligned with ours. They really put the young people first, and everything they do is for them and for the wider community. So yeah, we're thrilled to be working with them.
It's been exciting working on all the workshops, all the design kind of charrettes and things, developing the scheme with the 3 members of the winning team, and taking it onto site and make it what we threw behind us.
It's a lovely project to get involved in, working with all the various students. It's been a really nice process to kind of see that development. I think a lot can be taken away from that coming together to build something and create community, and I think that's a really nice aspect of construction that's been explored through this project.
Working with Beyond the Box has been really, really inspiring, and they've been very thoughtful, understanding like our differences and how we can all like connect